Now students, today we are going to discuss about addition, and in previous classes also addition we completed, so up to 2 digits and 3 digits. Again we recapitulate and we go for 4 digit addition also. So in this class we are going to discuss 4 digit addition also. So we recapitulate what we learned in our previous class. In second class what we discussed and what we learned, so just see here first. First addition of 3 digit numbers, 3 digit number addition. So that is without regrouping. Without regrouping, how to add. So this is addition of 3 digit numbers with regrouping. This is regrouping. This is without regrouping. So then how to add without regrouping? See here. First we add our digits from right to left. We start from ones place to here hundreds place. Ones place to hundreds place. So then first we start from here 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. No need to regroup it. Whenever single digit number will come, that single digit number we have to take as it is in that place only, in one's place here. No need to regroup. Then after that, here tens. In tens plus 6 is there and 3 is there. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a single digit number, so no need to regroup it. 9. And then after that, hundreds place. In hundreds place 7 is there and 2 is there. 7, 8, 9. So 9 is a single digit number, so we have to take as it is. No need to regroup it. Why here we are not regrouping? Because after adding, so this is first added, this is second added. When these two addends are added, say in the sum, so we are getting a single digit number only. In ones place we are getting single digit. In tens place also we are getting single digit. In hundreds place also we are getting single digit. When single digit numbers are there, then no need to regroup it. No need to regroup it. This is our sum. Next, one more example. The second question. Here, 3 digit number again. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So we start to add from ones to 100. Ones to 100. That is from right to left. That is from right to left. Add 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 6, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a single digit number. No need to regroup. 9 as it is. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 6 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. Then after that, hundreds place. 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 again 3. 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit number. No need to regroup. No need to regroup it. So in this way we have to add when the 3 addends, 2 addends, 4 addends are given. When single digit in the sum single digit number is there, no need to go for regrouping. So that is why this is called without regrouping. Without regrouping. So in this way we have to add in the second regrouping. So then how to regroup? Here add 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. 12 ones, 12. 12 ones. Then how to take 12 ones? We have to divide tens and ones. So 1 tens, 1 10 plus 2 ones. 1 tens plus 2 ones. Here 1 tens, that is 10 plus 2, 12. We will get 12. Then 1 tens plus 2 ones is 12. So 1 10, this is 10. 110 means in the place of 10 we have to keep 1. 110. 1 tens, and 2 is in ones place. 2 is in ones place. Like this we have to convert ones into tens and ones. Regroup again ones into tens and ones. When double digit number will come, means 2 digit number will come. So this shows ones and this shows tens. How many ones are there and how many tens are there? When ones digits, we are going to add ones digit. The first place value shows ones and second place value shows tens. It means 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Like this we have to make regroups. Then 1 and 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. It is 11. 11 tens. 11 tens. Then how can we take this 11 tens? After tens 100 will come. It means 100 is 1 tens. 100 and 1 tens. This is tens and this is hundreds. This shows tens. How many tens were there? And this shows how many hundreds were there. Here, this in ones, if we are going to add ones place, the first place value shows ones and second place value shows tens. When we are going to add tens, the first place value shows tens and second place value shows hundreds. So this is number of hundreds and number of tens. In this way you have to remember. This shows hundreds and this shows tens. But when we are going to add ones, this shows tens and ones. Tens ones, 100 tens. In this way. How many hundreds are there? 100. In the place of 100 we take 1. And in the place of tens what we have to take? 1. 1 tens. And again this is the last place value. Then add all. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 7. 712. This is our sum. This is addend. This is the second addend. This is the third addend. First addend, second addend, third addend. So when ones place, if we add ones place, if we get 2 digit number, then first one shows ones and second one shows tens. If tens we added, the first one shows tens and second one shows hundreds. Hundreds tens and tens ones, like this. Yes, now before we discuss how to add without regrouping. So all these here 3 digit numbers were there. So these 3 digit numbers, so we have to add, so without regrouping. So all these questions were without regrouping numbers. Then without regrouping additions. Then first we start first question, that is from right to left. That is from ones place to hundreds place. In ones place 6 is there, 6 plus 2 we have to add. 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit, no need to regroup it. 8 and 5. 5 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit number, no need to regroup it. Then 4 plus 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is also a single digit, no need to regroup it. This is addend. This is addend. The answer is called sum. The answer is called sum. The next. Here, second question. In the second question also we have to start addition from ones place to hundreds place. Ones place to hundreds place. First 6 and 2. 6, 7, 8. Here 8 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. Next. 2 plus 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. Then after that 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. Next, this is called added. This is added. This is sum. Two addends were there and one is our answer. The answer is called sum. Next, in third question, 3 addends were given. 1, 2, 3. This is one addend. This is the second addend. This is third addend. Now add all these 3 addends. We start our addition from ones place to hundreds place. That is from right to left. Then 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a single digit number. No need to regroup it. Then 2. 2 plus 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is a double digit number. 11 is a double digit number. Then how to take 11? This is in tens place. 11 tens. 11 tens. Then how can we regroup this 11 tens? That is, here we have to take tens. Here we have to take hundreds. So that is 1 hundreds and 1 tens. 1 tens. Tens, very next 100 is there. It shows hundreds and tens. This shows tens. This shows 100. How many hundreds were there? 100. In the place of 100, take 1. In the place of tens below, write 1. 1 we have to write below. 100, this 100 we have to write above this. Above to all these numbers. So here this tens we have to write at the bottom. At the bottom. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is a single digit number. So that is last place value. We have to take 7 as it is. This is a regrouping. If double digit number will come, then we go for regrouping. We go for regrouping. Next, here 3. Here we start our addition from. This is nothing but our sum. The solution is our sum. Now add 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 here. Next, 5 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 is a double digit number. 12 here tens, 12 tens. Then how to regroup it? 12 tens. First here tens will come. Here hundreds. So how many tens? 2 tens here. And 1 hundreds here. Tens we have to write exactly below. And this 100 is above to this values. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is a double digit number, and 2, that is last place. We have to take 12 as it is, because no other digit were there beside 100. So 12 completely we have to write here. Now this is called added. This is the another added. This is the third added. This is our answer, that is sum. So in this way we have to regroup. When double digit number, wherever in tens place double digit number were there, we have to take tens and 100. In ones place double digit number will come, then ones and tens. Like this we have to take and we have to write. Yes, now just before we discuss about the addition of 3 digit numbers, so grouping and regrouping. In both the cases, how to add we discuss. So this is about our 3-digit number what we discussed just before. Now we are going to discuss about 4-digit numbers, how to add 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So here first we discuss about how to add without regrouping first. Now here 2 examples were given. In these 2 examples, in first example 2 addends were given. In second example 3 addends were given. In the same similar pattern, so what we followed, so in 3-digit number, the same method we have to follow in this 4-digit number also. First we have to write the place values, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 2165. 2165. Next, 6721. 6721. This we have to add now. This is the addend and this is the addend. How many addends? 2 addends we have. Then 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is a single digit number. So that single digit number we have to take exactly below to this ones place. 6. And 6 plus 2, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is a single digit number and this is we have to write below tens place. Then 7 plus 1, 1 plus 7 and we have same one. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is a single digit number that we have to keep below hundreds place. Below hundreds place. Then 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a single digit that we have to write below thousands place. Below thousands place. So this is the addend, this is the second addend, this is our sum. 2 addends. If 2 addends are added, the sum is 8886. This is our sum. When we are going to add 4-digit number, so without regrouping. So this is the addend. This is our second addend. This is our sum. This is our sum. Next, in the second question, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 4321. 4321. This is first addend. Second addend, 3465. 3000s place, 4 in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place. Then 2012. 2 is in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place and 2 in ones place. In this way we have to add. Now we have to add. How to add? From right to left. 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2. 7, 8. 8 is our single digit that we have to write exactly in ones place. Then 2 plus 6, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is a single digit number. We keep below to the tens place. Then 3. 3 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0 is 7 only. If any number is added with 0, then we will get the same answer only. Not 0. The same answer we will get. This you have to remember. Don't take 0 here. 7 plus 0, 0, it is not correct. 7 plus 0 is always 7. Then after this, 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 8, 9. 9798. This is our sum. First addend, second addend, third addend. 3 addends. If 3 addends are added, what is our sum? This is our sum. In this way we have to add.